What's good, Swansea Gang? I know who it is. CEO of Swansea Gang, and I'm. Oh, shoot. What's good, Swansea? Oh, wait, my shirt. Well, I got dunked on again. Like, someone just. Well, I got in a fight with it, and they just threw it back in the store, and someone picked it up. That someone was me. What's good, Swansea Gang? Y'all know who it is. CEO of Swansea Gang. T Swansea. We back with another banger. Well, it's not really a banger. It's a banger for the people that got the messed up dreads. The short dreads, the long dreads, the people that want to do hair on their own, but they can't because they don't know how, because all these videos been lying to them. This is the true video right here. This for your friends too, so if your friends dreads looking really messed up, you know the deal. I got 4 videos that have more than 1K views. I'll probably put the video right here, you know. Oh, I just got a text. I'll probably put the video right here, or right here, somewhere on the screen, you know. I don't know. See, I try to be raw with that, like, you see. As y'all saw by the title, it is how to retwist short dreads. My dreads are not long yet compared to the other people's dread videos. Their dreads be like all the way down their back and stuff, so I consider these short dreads. And I did a video. If you my OG, if you're an OG Swansea member, you know I did a retwist video on short dreads. That video got deleted because it got copyrighted. So this video is not really gonna have any music in it. My fault. None of my videos really have had any music for real because I'm not trying to get my stuff copyrighted. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. Share this with your friends that got messed up dreads. Be like, check out this boy's video, you know what I'm saying? He speak the truth. You know this all I do, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, we gonna hop straight into this, but first, I gotta wash my hair because yeah, it's looking kinda messed up. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I look at first and stuff, and then I'm gonna show y'all the ending. And I'm going to show y'all how to retwist the dread. I'm going to catch y'all when I'm halfway done. And then I'm going to catch y'all when I'm fully done. And I'm going to end the video. So here go the little thingy, you know what I'm saying? Here go the front, you know what I'm saying? And then the side. I really ain't got a haircut. Every time I do a dread video, I don't have a haircut. But that does not matter. So here we go right here. I'm afraid to get a haircut while you do a retwist. Like every time I get a haircut, I do a retwist. But this time I just forgot. I was so busy. Here go the left side, you know what I'm saying? Getting pretty long. Here go the right side. And then the top right here, that really shows when my hair retwists. Like, there's nothing at the top, like no parts. And then I'm gonna try to the back. No, I'm saying, hold up, man, that hurt my neck. Here go the back right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the inches going on. I'm saying, wait, got the inches going on. I'm saying, but yeah, first I gotta wash my hair, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm back, and I'm put my hair in the ponytail, and then I got y'all. Just got out the shower. You know what I'm saying? My hair is like really wet. It like got my shirt wet and everything. So always want to keep a towel by you, you know. It matters what you use to wash your hair, but then again, it really doesn't. I use Pantene. If you don't know what Pantene is, it's a very popular brand. It's coming in a white bottle. The one that has mine comes in a white bottle, like a lotion bottle. And you press it and, you know, stuff come out. And all you need is really 3 things. You need this right here. This is what I use right here, you know what I'm saying? Tropical Roots, you know what I'm saying? Firm locking gel, y'all see it, you know what I'm saying? Remember the face, remember the name. Feature my own kid. And then you need some clips. Y'all know the clips. Y'all know how they do. And then hair ties. If you don't got no clips, you don't really need hair ties, but I prefer it because it's easier to make them more organized. But if you don't have any clips, you should check out my video. I did a video on how to retwist dreads with no clips. So yeah, go check that out. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do this real quick. But look, I got curls. Y'all can see the, hold up, I'm gonna show y'all. Bro, this is so hot. I'm gonna show y'all, like, y'all probably can't even see it, but like by the roots, y'all see the curls though. I know y'all see them curls. I got curly hair, you know what I'm saying? I trained my hair to be curly way before I had dreads, so we're gonna hop straight into this. I'm gonna show y'all how to do like 2 of them, and then it's really the same every single way, and it'll turn out good. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm halfway done. But first, I gotta put my hair in a bun, whatever y'all wanna call it. I could do my whole hair in a bun now, but I'm probably not gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it just to show y'all. See? You know what I'm saying? I could do it. Oh, wait. See, they selling right now. See this? I can do it, you know? I can put my whole hair in the bun, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do one. See, y'all see, ain't nothing coming out. See, I got the inches going, you know what I'm saying? But I prefer doing four sections because it feel like it's way less dreads to do and it's way quicker. So just do 4 sections, you know? I'm gonna do this part. I'm about to look crazy, but I don't care. I look crazy every time I do it, but the finished result look good, so that's all that matters. Not about how you start, it's about how you finish, guys. Okay, my right side does not have that many dreads, so bear with my right side. This is my right side. Left side, you know what I'm saying? Got kind of more dreads. Actually, bring these with it. Yes, sir. Bring these with them. And then, oh, this ain't got none. Hold up. I did this wrong. So, you know what I'm saying? And then here we go. Look like a dog or something. Whatever. Y'all roast me in the comments. Whatever y'all want to say. I don't care. But here go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know? And we're going to hop straight into this. I'm going to show y'all how to do one real quick. So I'm going to take this one out the front right here. You know what I'm saying? Got this right here. So all you want to do first, you want to grab it, right? And make sure you don't need a comb to be all Pacific and stuff. Like, I don't be having the time to do that. So I just do this, grab the hair. You see that little hair right here? Just take it out, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me try this. Here we go. You know, got the one dread, want to grab it, see, make sure it's parted a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then grab the gel. You don't need that much. I just, well, since my dreads are thicker, I grab like this much gel, you see? Focus. Yeah, there you go. Just rub it like that so it can go front and back, and then just do this. While you doing that, you twisting it just like this. You just twisting it as you going. And some of my dreads are longer so I can palm roll it. But you don't need the palm roller. You can just twist it regular like this. It's going to show up white. But you see the part is right there and everything. And then you want to grab a clip. And I don't know if you should put it like here, but don't put it down here. Please don't put it down here. That does nothing. So usually I put it like right next to the root so it won't untwist. And there you go. That's how you do it. So I'm going to catch y'all when I am halfway done. And yeah, so that means like one side is done. So I'm halfway done, you feel me? This side is my best side, so I don't know why they say best for last. So that's sort of what I did right there, you know what I'm saying? But look, I did the right side. I ain't gonna show y'all the clips yet, but I'll talk to y'all when I'm done. I mean, yeah. I said I was gonna tell y'all when I'm halfway done this stuff. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see the part, but I'll show y'all that right there, you know. Then I'll show y'all everything when I'm done. I don't want to make this video too long, so I ain't gonna show y'all the whole process, but y'all know what to do. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm all the way done with my hair. Alright, so I'm done. All that music in the background, my brother. I ain't trying not to get copyright, so I gotta talk real fast. So yeah, I finished right here. I'm gonna show y'all when my hair get dried up, you know what I'm saying? It took me like a good hour to do, you know. And then you also gonna spray some olive oil after so your hair can be shiny. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when this hair dry up, and I'll do the outro. So catch y'all later. So here go the finishing result, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of wild right now, but it's cool. So look, here go the little retwist, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. It turned out good. It look better when you have a full haircut, like the day after you get a haircut. But I'm gonna show you the end results, and yeah. So here go the front, you know what I'm saying? The front of it. Here go the top. See that the top popping though, you know what I'm saying? Top popping. Here go the left side. I got inches, no cap. I got this looks so wild, but sleep with a do-rag. Always sleep with a do-rag if you got short dreads, or if y'all got long dreads. I don't know. I think it's a bonnet or something. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. But look, you do this right. Oh, my shit finna die. So you do this, the left side, and then here go the right side. And I'm gonna try to show y'all the back. Here go the back right here, you know what I'm saying? Inches, you know? And then you can do multiple hairstyles with it, you know? It look better when it's retwisted and all that. And yeah, I'm never doing that again, probably. So there you go, end of the video, you know what I'm saying? Tell your friends all this stuff. Shout my page out, follow me on Instagram at TSwanzy. You know, Swanzy Gang get no gang, we the best gang out, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, hopefully this helps some of y'all, you know what I'm saying? If you watch it, just watch it, you a GOAT. And yeah, road to 700, Swanzy Gang get no gang, we out.
O-O-D-B-A-B-I-E-S. I'm the real hood, already bitches tatted on my neck. I laced it up in my Nike shoes and ran.